So this is example number 3. I just read the example first. A company produce and sells its product at rupees 5.20 per unit. The production cost was as under: annual fixed cost 2,25,000. Marginal cost per unit is 1.25. Normal production capacity is 1,50,000. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2010 was as follows: capital, retained earnings, other assets, and finished good is given, say 27,500. Apart from this, the stock of finished goods mentioned above was 10,000 units, and the marginal cost is 12,500, and 15,000 is fixed cost. Okay, so here you can see in the balance sheet, finished good is given 27,500 on page number 41. Clear? And the bifurcation of it is uh, given here. 12,500 is variable cost, marginal cost, and 10,000 is, sorry, 15,000 is fixed cost. That is 27,500. And number of unit is 10,000. Apart from this, the details relating to the 3 years of 11, 12, and 13 is given. And you are required to prepare the statement of profit under marginal costing as well as absorption costing. Income statement for the income statements for all 3 years, normal production capacity being taken as a base for absorption of overhead, use absorption costing, and income statement for all 3 years using marginal costing system. Okay, so this is the example. Hope you have read the amount example carefully. Now we go for the solution of it. Okay, and two statement you are required to prepare. The first statement is this, and you are required to prepare the blank statement like this. This is your blank statement. Okay, arithmetic blank statement तैयार करिए. Give the title statement of profit, absorption, costing, particulars, and 3 years: 2011, 2012, and 2020. Okay. Now, first of all, we go for the absorption costing. Okay. So in absorption costing, first we need to write the cells. So this is your cells. Correct? Okay. Cells is this. It is readable to all. Okay. Then after less cost of goods sold. The another step is less cost of goods sold. Then after the next step, how to calculate the cost of goods sold? Production cost plus opening stock minus closing stock. And here we will consider absorption costing. Absorption costing means total cost. Total cost per unit, including fixed cost, cost of manufacturing. So variable cost per unit is what? So variable cost per unit is not directly given in the example. A company produce and sell its product at 5.20 rupees per unit, and production cost as under: annual fixed cost is 2,25,000. Marginal cost per unit is 1.25. It is given. Marginal cost per unit is 1.25. Okay. And fixed cost per unit is not directly available, but he said that annual fixed cost is 2,25,000 and normal production capacity is 1,50,000. Now tell me, what is the cost per unit of fixed cost? Production cost per unit of fixed cost. That is 2,25,000 divided by 150. Calculate it. 2,25,000 divided by 150. 2,25,000 ने 1,50,000 થી ડિવાઈડ કરો. Okay.
1.5.
1.5. So here,
75.
yes. See here. Here I can show you this calculation. This is your fixed cost, 2,25,000. This is your normal production, 1,50,000. So 2,25,000 divided by 1,50,000, then answer is 1.5. Agree? Getting?
Yes,
And
sir.
variable cost is 1.25 is given in the example. 1.25 is available on page number 41. You can see an underline. So what is the total cost? 1.5 plus 1.25. What is your total cost? It is 2.75.
Yes, sir.
Agree? Okay. Now let's see here. Sales. How the sales is? 5,20,000. So number of units sold is given behind on page number 42. 1 lakh units sold out. 1 lakh units sold out કર્યા છે તમને કીધું છે. You can see. Right? In every year there are 1 lakh units. દરેક વર્ષે કેટલા યુનિટ છે જોઈ લો. 1 lakh unit છે ને? Okay. And multiply 5.2 is the selling price. So 5,20,000 got it? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And cost of goods sold. So first is cost of production. Your cost of production, how many number of units are produced? It is also given on page number 42. Production 125, 80,000 and 1,70,000. These are the number of units. And cost per unit 2 is 2.75 as we have discussed. 1.5 plus 1.25. 1 plus 5 plus 1.25. That means 2.75. Okay. Now your production cost is like this. This is your cost of unit produced. How this amount is? It is at 2.75 per unit. So first 1,25,000 into 2.75. Then 80,000 into 2.75. And then 1,70,000 into 2.75. Okay. You must have the calculator and calculate with me. Understood? Okay. Now add the opening stock. Add opening stock. How this opening stock is? Opening stock is again 2.75. Okay. And number of units are not directly available. Opening stock and closing stock number of unit is not directly available. Okay. So let's go for one calculation here. This is, you can see. Okay. Opening stock plus production less closing stock is equal to sell. Opening stock plus production minus closing stock is equal to sell. Correct. This is the structure. You know that in units. Now production is given. This thing is given. This thing is given. Sell. This thing is given. Production is given. Sales is given. Production is given. Sales is given. Okay. Now understood very carefully. Understood very carefully. This opening stocks are not given to you. This closing stocks are not given to you. But this production units are given. Right? And the sales are given. Okay. Now opening stock of 2011 is given in the balance sheet. So in balance sheet, opening stock is 27,500. And on page number 42, it is said that stock of finished goods mentioned above was 10,000 units. So in the year 2011, you are having 10,000 unit as opening stock. If 10,000 unit opening stock, then 1,25,000 is your production, then total is 1,35,000. But out of that, 1 lakh unit are sold. That means 35,000 is closing stock. Got it? The closing stock of the 2011 is become the opening stock of the next year 35,000. Now 35 plus 80, 1 lakh 15,000, but the sale is 1 lakh. That means 15,000 is your closing stock. Now this 15,000 is become opening stock here in 2013. 15 plus 170 is equal to 185, but 1 lakh is sold. So again, 15,000 is closing stock. You got it? How this stock is? If anybody having any question, any confusion, okay, they can put their message or ask me by on their mic. Only 1 or 2 people. You got it? These figures? Sorry, here not 15, here 85. 85 is the closing stock. So please tell me if you are having any confusion in it. No. Okay. If you are not response, that means it is no. So opening stock, as we calculated here, 10,000, 35,000 and 15,000. 10,000, 35,000 ने 15,000. ये 10,000, 35,000 ने 15,000 ने we multiply with the cost per unit. So here 10,000 into 2.75, here 35,000 into 2.75, and here 15,000 into 2.75. Okay. In the same way, let's go for the closing stock. Less closing stock. Closing stock. Okay. In the first year, closing stock is 35,000. So 35,000 into 2.75. Okay. Then next is whatever your stock, that is 15,000. So 15,000 into 2.75. Okay. And in the same way, here it is 85,000. So 85,000 into 2.75. Okay. This is, and then the answer you have is called cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. $2,75,000 in all year. બધા વર્ષમાં 2,75,000 આવે છે. Okay. Now sales minus cost of goods sold. The answer you have, that answer is known as gross profit. Sales minus cost of goods sold at the total cost. At the total cost, absorption cost. Okay. Any confusion up to this? Okay. There is no any selling and distributions and other expenses are given here. અહીંયા કોઈ selling and distribution કે એવો કોઈ ખર્ચો આપેલો છે નહીં. Okay. So only you need to give the effect of under absorption and over absorption, and it is absorption costing. So under and over. So here overhead recovery rate, fixed overhead recovery rate is 1.5. Fixed overhead recovery rate is 1.5. Correct? Okay. And here, this is our budgeted production, 150, 150, 150. And actual production is already given in the example, 125, 80,000 and 170. 170. So here, less production and more production. If less production, it is under absorption. More production, that means over absorption. Okay. So 25,000 into 1.5, 70,000 into 1.5 and 20,000 into 1.5. So here under and over. Okay, in the 3 years. And this under absorption and over absorption we will shown here. Yeah, clear? Under absorption and over absorption. And after this under absorption and over absorption, okay, you are having net profit. Okay. Now tell me, do you have any confusion up to this? Hope you got it, everybody.
No, sir, clear.
Okay. So this is the absorption costing statement of profit as per absorption costing. Okay. Now prepare the same example or same statement but with the help of marginal costing. आज वस्तु बनाइए but marginal costing ની મદદથી. So this is the statement of marginal costing. આવું કંઈક statement તમારું બનશે. Okay, this is marginal costing. So as usual, first of all, you need to write down the cells. સૌથી પહેલા શું લખાશે? Cells લખાશે. Okay, cells માંથી less cost of goods sold, that is marginal cost of goods sold. Here we will consider only marginal cost. And cost of goods sold means cost of production plus opening stock minus closing stock. Unit we have already discussed. And marginal cost is 1.25 per unit. Okay. So production cost is cost of unit produce is, okay, number of unit production is given here. This is 1,25,000 into 1.25. This is 80,000 into 1.25. This is 1,70,000 into 1.25. This is cost of production. Then after add opening stocks. Opening stock is 10,000 and 35,000 and 15,000. Here we already calculated here 10, 35 and 15. So 10, 35 and 15 at the rate 1.25 per unit, 10,000 into 1.25, 35,000 into 1.25 and 15,000 into 1.25. Then after less closing stock also we have already calculated. So this is 35,000 into 1.25. This is 15,000 into 1.25. And this is 85,000 into 1.25. Okay. So this is your cost of goods sold. 1.25 in each year. દરેકમાં 1,25,000. Okay. Then after less fixed cost. Less fixed cost. Here in the above, we have only considered variable cost. Fixed cost is not considered. And fixed cost is 2,25,000. This is, but before that, we need to calculate contribution. So contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. So sales minus this 1,25,000 cost. So 3,95,000 every year is the contribution. And contribution minus fixed cost. Fixed cost is 2,25,000. And then after we are having profit. And this profit is 1,70,000 every year. Okay, so you got it. Any confusion, anybody? No, I think no. Okay. So then after here he said that you are required to prepare this two statement. So as we prepare this two statement, our example is almost completed. But sometimes they are asked to prepare reconciliation statement. Though it is not asked, but we will prepare it. આપણે બનાવીએ. Okay. So profit as per marginal costing and profit as per absorption costing is to be match here. Okay. એને match કરીએ. So what is profit as per absorption costing? This is. And profit as per marginal costing is this. Okay. Any one profit you will start. કોઈ પણ એક profit થી શરૂ કરીએ. Okay. So profit as per marginal costing is this. This is profit as per marginal costing. Okay. And profit as per absorption costing is this. This is profit as per absorption costing. And then after, why this differences is, you know that differences is due to stock only. If no stock, no difference. If stock is there, there must be a difference. Okay. So difference in opening stock. So opening here 27,500 and here 12,500. Okay. So what is the difference? Am I correct? Second, 96,250 and 43,750. 96,250 minus 47,750. 43, sorry. 43,750. The difference is 52,500. 52,500. In the same way, here opening stock is 41,250 minus here it is 18,750. That is 22,500. 22,500. This is the difference. In the same way, difference of closing stock 43,750 and here 96,250. 96,250. The difference is 52,500. 52,500. Second year, closing stock 18,750 minus 41,250. The difference is 22,500. Okay, and the third year, here it is 1,06,250 and here it is 2,33,750. 127,500. 127,500. Okay, so these are the differences. Now, how this differences is work? So 170 plus or minus, and one is added, one is minus. Our target is 2,07,500. Okay, so first we 1,70,000 put it here, 170 plus 15,000 and minus 52,500. So your answer is 132. No, that is not correct answer. So 1,70,000 minus 15,000.
Opening stock less.
Okay, and the closing plus 52,500. Then it is 2,07,500. So opening is less and closing is added. This is the rule, and this rule is working in all the years, right? So this is add. Sometimes value of opening stock is, and sometimes value of closing stock is added or less is depend on the situation from where you started from marginal and started from absorption, whatever. Okay, so by the trial and error method you can get the idea that which will be added and which will be subtract, and this formula is working in all this 3 years. વર્ષની અંદર કામ કરશે. Clear? So if you are having any confusion, ask me. If you're not, then we will go ahead. Do you have any problem? Okay, so
Sir, can
you
we
got
do
the,
profit as marginal costing?
yes, pardon, I am not getting your question. Repeat it again. I'm not getting your question. Please repeat it.
Profit as per marginal costing.
Hmm?
Please repeat.
Profit as per marginal costing means you are not getting this profit, net profit. 170 you are not getting.
Yes.
Okay. So you know that marginal costing means contribution minus fixed cost is equal to profit. Contribution minus fixed cost is equal to profit. So here, this is your manufacturing production marginal cost. Production marginal cost is this 125, 125, 125. Okay. Now this 520 minus 125 is equal to 395. 5,20,000 માંથી 1,25,000 minus કરે એટલે 3,25,000 every year. So this is your contribution. If you say this is A, sorry. If you say this is A and this is B, then this contribution is what? This is A minus B. Getting? So this is your contribution.
Yes, sir.
And
Understand.
contribution less fixed cost is equal to profit.